Hey guys, this is Shrek and H Ken Awesome and doing Teen Titans Go Sucks here again, and today I'm gonna do another Christmas special review. But this time it's based on one of my favorite shows of all time, along with Nature Cat, The Brady Bunch, Star vs. the Forces of Evil, etc. And that is of course The Simpsons. I'm actually doing the Simpsons Christmas special, but it's actually called The Simpsons Roasting on an Open Fire. It really doesn't matter what it is, anyways. I'm still gonna review it, anyways, because I really love The Simpsons very much. It's a really funny show. So, anyways, without further ado, let's get this started, shall we? Today, I am going to do a review on The Simpsons Christmas Special, also known as The Simpsons Roasting on an Open Fire, came in the year of 1989. So basically what the plot is, it's Christmas in Springfield, and everybody's really excited for Christmas. Marge has gotten money out for Christmas shopping. Although Bart wanted to get a tattoo, and what does he do? He mischievously gets a tattoo, and Marge has to end up paying all of her Christmas shopping in order to get the tattoo off of Bart. And then when Homer found out that Marge used all of the money for the surgery, he was devastated. So, what does he do? He tries to get money to be Santa Claus for the holiday season. And, mm, mm, yep, he dresses up as Santa Claus, but things don't go out really well. And then later at the very end, when they saw the dog racing, one dog was really horrendous at racing. He was so horrendous that he actually got kicked out and and he jumped into Homer Simpson, and Bart's like, "Aw, can we keep that dog, please?" And Homer's like, "No, he's a loser and he's pathetic." But then he changed his mind from no to yes, and he smiled and says, "You know what? He's a Simpson." And everyone got home, and Homer tries to confess and tells the truth of what really happened. But then Bart interrupts, and he said that they found a dog, and everyone was so happy, and they all sang Christmas songs, and that's basically what the entire plot for this Christmas special is. Sorry if it's a little bit too short. It's the best I could do. But what do I think of this special? Best Christmas special ever, along with A Charlie Brown Christmas and etc. If you guys subscribe to my channel, you guys all know how much I love The Simpsons. It's really a funny show. It's a great show. Homer Simpson's my favorite character. I think this Christmas special is the one that started it all, The Simpsons. This is a special that started it all from the way beginning in 1989. I cannot believe it's almost 30 years since The Simpsons was around in 2019. Oh my god. That's next year. Oh my god. 30 years ago next year. Which, even though it's too early, I want to say happy 29th anniversary to Simpsons. Yeah, that's a little off topic though. But anyways, let's get into the animation. The animation is really, really, really creative. Look at the animation in this. It looks so cool and awesome. And the characters are likable. You got Homer, Marge, Lisa, Maggie, and Bart Simpson. And Santa's little helper. At the very end, Santa's little helper, because he was adopted after when he lost, because he was such a horrendous dog racer, but he's actually more like a. But at the end, he turns out to be like a warm hearted gift for the Simpsons. Yep. Things turned out really well at the really end for the Simpsons. Because, yeah, that was the most heartwarming scene ever when they adopted a dog and took it home. I thought that was really cute. Yeah. Some of the scenes were really funny as well. When Homer tries to name the reindeers, and yeah, that was really funny. And when Homer freaked out, yeah, I did felt sorry for him, but it was funny at the same time. And yeah, it was funny when Bart was like he was 21 when he's actually not. He's a mischievous guy, but and he's a troublemaker as well, but he's a likable character as well. And Marge is a loving oh wait, person, yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, I was talking about the characters. Ugh, sorry about that. And there was this scene where Bart wanted to get a tattoo for Christmas. That was funny as well. There are some funny scenes in that special as well. And the characters, like I said, Marge is a loving mother. Homer's a funny guy. Bart's mischievous and a troublemaker, but he's also a likable character. Lisa's smart, and Maggie's adorable. And Santa's little helper's also adorable at the very end. Excuse me. Yep. And the music is really, really nice. And yep. And it's a really great Christmas special that started it all for The Simpsons. This is a classic Christmas special. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you see it. It's a great Christmas special. And I love how they sang at the end. That was really heartwarming as well. This is a great Christmas special for anyone who loves The Simpsons, like I do. I give this Christmas special a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5, 1,000 out of 1,000. I mean, this is a great Christmas special. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you do, because it really is a great it really is a great Christmas special. The animation is really awesome. The characters are likable. Um, the ending is really heartwarming. The way they sang was so beautiful. The jokes are really funny. Just everything about it is a classic. Every single thing about it. Well, that was my review on The Simpsons Christmas Special, also known as The Simpsons Roasting on an Open Fire. And tomorrow's Christmas special will be Shrek the Halls. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. Anyways, this is Shrek and H Ken Awesome and doing Teen Titans Go Sucks here again, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. This is Shrek and H Ken Awesome and doing Teen Titans Go Sucks here again, signing off, and I'll see you guys next time.